Hello students, good morning. We are live now. Divyashri and Shreyasi has joined. Is my audio and video clear? So, Koel, Chetan, Navashri. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for confirming. So let us wait for 2 minutes for others, then we will be starting with the class. And in the meantime, I just want you to keep your notebooks ready. Write along with me whatever we are doing so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay, so we are doing factorization of polynomials. Two classes of this chapter we have already done, and this is the third class of this chapter and third and the last class. So with this chapter will be completed. This chapter is a very small chapter, only few types of questions are there. Mostly you'll be seeing this type of questions which we did yesterday also. So few more questions of similar type I will be doing today. So let's start. So first question you can see. So it's a similar type of question which we did yesterday also. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square. So one polynomial is given to us. So polynomial, I told you, we will be writing like this only. Fx we can write is equals to x cube plus x square minus fx minus 4. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial and hence factorize the polynomial completely. So here it's mentioned using factor theorem. Using factor theorem, it's mentioned, see, we have two theorems. One is factor theorem, the other one is remainder theorem. So factor theorem is one and remainder theorem is another. So whenever they mention factor theorem, what you have to do? Factor theorem means like factor theorem. In factor theorem, you have to do division. Actual division you have to do. So here also we will be doing division, and after doing the division we will just show that remainder is equals to 0. So remainder is equals to 0. It's mentioned using factor theorem, show that this is a factor. So we will actually divide these two polynomials. So we'll divide now. So division, yesterday we learned, same process we have to do. With linear polynomial, which is x minus 2, we will divide this cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial which is given to us is x cube plus x square minus fx minus 4x minus 4. So first of all, first term same we will write. Here we have to do some work. So here first term of this polynomial which is x cube. This we have to divide by first term of this polynomial, that is x. So here we will get x square. See, x cube is x into x into x. So x cube we are dividing by x. One x will get cancelled. So we are left with x square. So this x square we have to write at the quotient. After that, with this x square, we'll multiply the second term of this polynomial, which is x, which is minus 2. So here we will get minus 2x square. So minus 2x square we will be writing under the like term. So x square, under x square we will write. Now we will change the signs. So this is positive, it will be changed to negative. This is negative, it will be changed to positive. So this will get cancelled. Now here x square and this is plus x square. So this will become 3x square. 3x square minus 4x minus 4. So all these polynomials I brought down. Now same process we will follow what we have done there also. So that's the same process we will follow. First term we will write same. So that is 3x square. Then with 3x square we will divide this first term x. After dividing, what we will get? 3x. This 3x we will write here. So plus 3x. Now with this 3x we will multiply the second term, which is minus 2 into minus 2. When we do, it will become minus 6x. Minus 6x we will write under the like term. So here x term is 4x. So here we will be writing minus 6x. Now we have to change the signs. So here positive 3 is there, it will be changed to negative. Here negative sign is there, it will be changed to positive. This will get cancelled because plus 3x and minus 3x they'll get cancelled. And 4, now with 6 only plus sign is there because we have changed this negative to positive. So minus 4 plus 6 is minus only. So 6 minus 4 is 2, positive 2. So 2x, this 4 also will bring down 2x minus 4. Now again same process we will follow. First term we will write same. After writing first term same, we will divide with this first term with this x. X and x will get cancelled, so we are getting 2. This 2 will write here, and with this 2 we will be multiplying the second term of this polynomial, which is minus 2. So this is minus 2 into minus 2, this is minus 4. Minus 4 will be writing under the like term. So we'll change the sign. This is plus, this is also plus. No, this is plus, so it will be changed to minus. Opposites we will be writing. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So remainder is 0. So what is the remainder? We got 0. So that's what we have to do in this question. Here it first question is that show that it's a factor. Show that it's a factor, that means remainder will be 0. Hence you can write that, hence remainder is 0, that means x minus 2 is a factor of fx. So you have to write, because first part of the question says show that. So here we have shown that it's a factor because we have got remainder equals to 0. First part of the question is done. Then second part they're telling hence factorize the polynomial completely. So we have to factorize the polynomial also. So factorization of polynomial we will do here. Now in first part where we have divided, we have got another polynomial at the quotient, this one. So this is quadratic polynomial. We'll make use of quadratic polynomial now to factorize it further. So first factor is given to us as x minus 2. Two more factors we have to find because it's a cubic polynomial. So we'll use this now. So x square plus 3x plus 2. So here I'll be writing 1x square. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial will factorize by splitting the middle term. First of all, we'll write what is the product of first and last. So first and last product is positive 2 and middle term is positive 3. We'll split the middle term into two numbers such that the sum of those numbers is equals to 3 and product is equals to 2. So it's easy. 2 into 1 we know it's 2 and we add 2 and 1 it is 3. So easily we can split this. So 1x square plus 2x plus 1x, because I have factorized this 3x. I have split the 3x into 2x and 1x plus 2. Now this is one pair, this is another pair. So here I can take x common. If x is common, so x plus 2 is left behind, because see x square is x into x plus 2x is 2 into x. So we have taken x common. When x is common, I have written it outside. So what is left? X plus 2. Here nothing is common, that means 1 is common. So same thing I can write x plus 2, which is left behind. Now x plus 2 into x plus 1 are the required factors. So after finding the factors, you can write the polynomial. You can write x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. This is equals to, so one of the factor was given to us, x minus 2. Two factors we found, which is x plus 1 and x plus 2. Yes, so you people have given the answers. Very good. Yes, Tarun has given the answer, Abani has given the answer, and Anika and Shreyasi. Okay, if anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Let's do the next question if no doubts are there. X plus 1, and yes, I just wrote by mistake x plus 2 only. X plus 1 two times, so this is x plus 1 and x plus 2. So we have completed this question. Any doubt? Okay, let's do the next question now. So next question you can see now, using the remainder theorem, find the remainders obtained. So now remainder theorem we have to do, like I was telling you what is the difference between remainder and factor theorem. You should know that. See, in previous question factor theorem you had to use. See here, using factor theorem. So factor theorem means actual division. Actually we divided these two polynomials. You can see here. So remainder theorem is we will just substitute the value of x in one. We will substitute the value of x in the given polynomial. So that's the difference. So here we have to use remainder theorem. So one polynomial is given to us. So I'll be writing that fx is equals to x cube plus kx plus 8 into x plus k. So this is the polynomial. I'll just further simplify it. This x, let's multiply. So what I'll get, fx is equals to x cube plus kx into x is kx square, 8 into x is 8x plus k. I just simplified that. Now what they are telling, we have to find the remainders when x plus 1 and x minus 2, they are divided by this polynomial. So whenever remainder theorem we have to do, what we will do, we will find the value of x from these polynomials. How to find? We'll equate these linear polynomials with 0. Like if I equate this with 0, what is the value of x I'll get? I'll get the value of x as minus 1. Plus 1, when we shift to other side, it will become minus 1. If I equate this polynomial with 0, so I'll get x value equals to 2. Minus 1, when we shift to other side, it will become plus 2. So we have found the two values of x. We have to find remainder. How to find remainder? First of all, here I will find f of minus 1. F of minus 1 means when I substitute the value of x as minus 1, I will be getting the remainder when x plus 1 is divided by this polynomial. So let's do that. So wherever x is there, we can substitute its value as minus 1. So here minus 1 cube plus k into minus 1 square plus 8 into minus 1 plus k. So here minus 1's cube. Minus 1's cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So cube of a negative is always negative because two signs will get cancelled. So it is minus 1 only. Square of a negative is positive. So k into 1. K into 1 is k. Now 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. Minus 8k plus k. Like terms we can simplify it now. Minus 1. So here we have k. It's only minus 8. So I have minus 1 and minus 8. These two like terms. So minus 1 minus 8. Minus minus plus with the minus sign. So this is minus 9. And k plus k is 2k, because this is 1k, this is 1k. So k plus k is 2k. See, this is the remainder. This is the remainder when x plus 1 is divided by this polynomial. So first remainder in terms of k we have found 2k minus 9, or minus 9 plus 2 we can write. Now let's find the remainder when x minus 2 is getting divided. So when x minus 2 is getting divided, what we have to find? We have to find f of 2. We have to find f of 2. That means wherever x is there now, we just have to substitute the value of x equals to 2. So I'll rewrite the polynomial. This is x cube plus kx square plus 8x plus k. So 2, I'm substituting 2 cube plus k into 2 square plus 8 into 2 plus k. So cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2. This is equals to 8 plus square of 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into k is 4k. 8 into 2 is 16 plus k. So like terms we can simplify here. So 8 and 16, these two are like. So 8 plus 16 is 24. 4k plus k is 5k. So 24 plus 5k. Yes, so Yatin has given the answer. So that means both the remainders we have found. So this is remainder. So f of 2 we have found and f of minus 1 we have found. So first part of the question is done. We found the remainders. So remainders means we just have to substitute that value of x, and whatever answer we are getting, that is the remainder. Now what it is mentioned, hence find k if the sum of two remainders is 1. So sum of two remainders is 1. This is first remainder. This is second remainder. So their sum. So we know what is the meaning of sum. Sum means addition, and their addition is equals to what? Their addition is equals to 1. They have mentioned here, once again I'll read. Find k if the sum of the two remainders is 1. So two remainders we have found. So I'll be just doing their addition now. So first one is, now what is given to us, their sum is 1. So that means we have to add. We have to add 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2, what we will get? Minus 9 plus 2k. This is the first sum. This is the first remainder. Only we have to add these sides. Only this. Because remainders we have to add. So minus 9 plus 2 plus 2k plus 24 plus 5k. So their sum it's given to us, it is equals to 1. So sum of the remainder is equals to 1. So I have just added, this is first remainder, this is second remainder. When I am adding them, their sum is equals to 1. So like terms we can add now. Minus 9 and 24, it's like. So 24 minus 9. What is 24 minus 9? 24 minus 9 is 15, plus minus minus with the sign which is with greater number. So with 24 positive sign is there. You can open the brackets. So plus 24 plus 5k, and like terms. So 5k plus 2k both are like, so 7k is equals to 1. Now what I have here, so 15, let's shift to other side because 1 and 15 like terms, and we have to find the value of k. So 7k is equals to 1. When 15 is positive, when we shift it to other side, it will become negative. So 1 minus 15. So k is equals to 1 minus 15 plus minus minus. So the sign which is with greater numbers, 15 minus 1 is 14. So minus 14. So 7, let's shift to other side. 7 here it's getting multiply. When we shift it to other side, it will get divided. So 7 into 2. So k's value we will get equals to minus 2. Yes, Sanika, Shreyasi and Nikita has given the answer. K is equals to minus 2. So is this question clear? Anyone, any doubt? Divyashree has given the answer. Rakshit, it's -2. So let's do next question if you don't have any doubts. So next question you can see two factors of the polynomials are given to us. So what are those factors? X plus 2 and x plus 2 and x plus 3. These are factors of given polynomial. So what is the polynomial? Factors of x cube plus ax plus b. And what we have to do, we have to find the value of a and b. So it's present in the given polynomial. This a and b's value we have to find. So again, like previous question we did, we'll make use of remainder theorem in this question. Remainder means actually we don't have to divide. Remainder theorem is we don't have to divide it. Actually, we will be just doing the substitutions now. So how to do? First of all, we'll find the value from these given two polynomials, linear polynomial. So x plus 2 we will equate with 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0. From here we will get the value of x equals to -2. When plus 2 we shift to other side, it will become equals to -2. Now we'll same thing we will do from second linear polynomial also. So x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to -3. Now what we will do, these factors, because these are the factors. Remember one thing, whenever from factors we are substituting the value of x, the remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. What does it mean? It means f of -2 is equals to 0 and f of -3 is equals to 0. Whenever I am substituting the value of x as -2 and -3 in this polynomial, remainder will be 0. So because these are the factors. So let's substitute now. So first of all, f of -2 I am finding. So wherever x is there, I will be just substituting. Here we can write the polynomial in this way. Fx is equals to fx is equals to x cube plus ax plus b. So at x place, I'll be just substituting its value as -2. So here -2 cube plus a into, again here I have x. So x value is -2 plus b. Now I know here what is the value of f of -2. Here I have written what is the value. I have written here its value is 0 because remainder will be 0 whenever we are dividing the given polynomial with its factor. So here I am just writing 0. Cube of negative is always negative. So -2 into -2 into -2 when we multiply, we'll get -8 as the answer. -8 minus a into 2 is -2a plus b. Now 8, let's shift to other side. When 8 I am shifting to other side, it is -8. When we shift it to other side, it will become +8. So this side I am left with -2a plus b. So I can also write it as -2a plus b is equals to 8. So here we have got first equation. Because two unknown variables are there. Whenever you get questions like this where two unknown variables are there. So here you can see I have to find the value of a and b. So always you will be getting two linear equations which you can solve by the any method, elimination or cross multiplication or substitution. So first equation, it's done. Let's find second equation now by substituting the value of x is -3. So wherever x is there in the given polynomial, I'll substitute its value as -3 because two values of x we found. So x cube, that means -3 is cube plus a into x, a into minus 3 plus b. So f of minus 3 is 0. Here I have mentioned here because it's a factor. So remainder will be 0. Here this side we are actually getting remainder only. You have to remember, sometimes they'll mention in the question some other remainders also. So you have to be clear with that this is remainder. Cube of minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 27. Cube of negative is negative. Only minus 3 into a is minus 3a plus b. Now 27, let's shift to other side. So minus 27, when we shift to other side, it will become plus 27 is equals to minus 3a plus b. I can rewrite it as minus 3a. Just interchanging of the sides I have done. So minus 3a plus b is equals to 27. So we have got here second equation also. So two linear equations we have got. So variables are b and a and b. So we can simplify this by any method, by elimination and substitution. I am just going to do it by substitution method. So Yatin has already found the value. Okay, equation he has found. Yes, so minus 3a plus b. Let's solve the equation. I am just going to do it by substitution method, but I am telling you can use any method, whichever method you are more comfortable. See, from first equation, I am just finding the value of b. So I'll be shifting b's value I am finding. So 2a I'll shift to other side. So that means b will be left here. So 8 plus minus 2a, when we shift to other side, it will become plus 2a. So I have found the value of b from first equation. So in terms of b, a I have written. So b is equals to 8 plus 2a. So this value we will be substituting. You can mention these lines. So substitute b in second. Substitute b in second equation. So these type of wordings you can mention while doing question. So second is this. So at place of b here we just have to substitute its value which we have found. So minus 3a plus b's value is now 8 plus 2a. 8 plus 2a. This is equals to 27. Now like terms we can simplify. 8 and 27 are like. So 8 I will be shifting to other side. So here I am left with minus 3a and 2a. Minus plus is minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That's a I will be writing. But the sign which is with a greater number. So minus a is equals to 27 minus 8. So what is 27 minus 8? A is equals to 19. Yes, so 27 minus 8 is 19. So we have found the value of minus a. Minus sign, let's shift to other side. So a's value we found as minus 19. Yes, so a is minus 19. It's the correct value. Many of you have already found this. A is equals to minus 19 and b is equals to 30. Let's check the value of b now. So I am just going to clear this thing because I need space here. So after finding the value of a, we can mention substituting a. In this one we can substitute because we know b is equals to 8 plus 2a. So directly here we can substitute. So 8 plus 2a, a's value is minus 19. So 2 into minus 19 is minus 38. So 8 minus 38 is minus 30 because plus minus is minus, the sign which is with a greater number. So 38 minus 8 is 30. So minus because minus sign is with here with a greater number. So a is equals to minus 19 and b is equals to minus 30. So many of you have found the answer. Correct answer, Tarun, minus 19. Yes. Nikita has also found. Divyashri, Sanika, Rakshit. Good. Let's do next question now. See, in case if you have any questions, doubt, you can just mention that in this question you have doubt. I'll take doubts at the end of every question. And you can see most of the questions which I am doing are from the previous year. So this is the question which we did from today. We started from this one. See, this question came in 2019 exam. This came also in 2019. This is in 2012 or 10, and the which we are doing now in 2016 it has come. So these type of questions, although the type of questions are similar, it's from 1 and 2, 2a plus. Yes, Yatin, I am not able to understand. Do you have doubt? 2a plus 8. Yatin, do you have doubt? You just recheck. A is equals to minus 7. A is equals to minus 7. 20, see, 27, when we shifted to other side, it became positive 27. If you are getting different answer, just check your equation. What is the first equation you are getting? See, first equation is this minus 2a plus b is equals to 8. 2a plus 8 is equals to minus 27. You are getting different equations. Just check, you can b is equals to 2a plus 8, that's correct. But what is the second equation? You can see second equation is minus 3a plus b is equals to 27. So here you just have to see substitution, everything I have done. Just see, figure out your mistake. B is equals to minus 27 minus 3a. No, it is plus 3a, not minus 3a. B is equals to plus 27. You have written equation wrong. Just correct it, and solution you can see on my screen now. Just correctly do it. Equation you have written wrong. Let's do next question now. So using remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing. So two polynomials are given to us. First of all, I'll be writing fx. What is fx? Fx is always the polynomial with greater degree. So here cubic polynomial, I'm writing 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5. When this polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial x minus 2. So what we are getting? We are getting remainder 7. So that means here when I find the value of x, so x is equals to 2, I will be getting. So f of 2 is equals to 7. In previous question, we wrote 0 because it was a factor. Now it's not a factor, it's mentioned here. Remainder we are getting. So remainder's value we will be just substituting now. Nikita has found the answer. K is 13. Let's do that. So what we have to do? We have to substitute the value. Remainder theorem is just substitution. So f of 2 we have to find. So at x place we'll write its value 2. 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 5. So we know f of 2's value is 7. Here I'll be writing 7, substituting its value 7 here itself. I have written at the starting only. So 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. See, don't multiply 2 with 3. It is 2 into 2 into 2. Cube we are doing. So I have seen many times students doing that mistake. Plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus k into 2, 2k plus 5. So like terms we can simplify now. So as 16, 12 and 5, these are like terms. So 16 plus 12. This 16 plus 12 we can add now. 8, 28. 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5 also we can add. 8 plus 5, 13. 33. So 33 I'm getting. So 7 is equals to, all these I've added, 16 plus 12 plus 5. So after adding them I'm getting 33 minus 2k as it is. So 33 will shift to this side. This positive 33, when we shift to other side it will become negative 33. So 7 minus 33 is equals to minus 2k. So when we subtract 33 and 7, so 7 minus 33 means plus minus is minus. So 33 minus 7 we have to do. So 13 minus 7 is 6, 26. So here I'll be getting negative 26 because with greater number sign minus is there, is equals to minus 2k. So minus 2, now we have to shift to other side because k's value we are finding. So minus 26 by minus 2 is equals to k. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 2 and 26 will also get cancelled. So 2 into 13 is 26. So k's value we got equals to 13, which is the correct answer as given by you people also. So Nikita, Navishri, Shivashankar, Yatin, Tarun, Shreyasi, Divyashri, Kirtana, Rakshit and Janvi has given the answer. Sanika has also given the answer. Good. So anyone, any doubt till here? Okay, let's do next question. So you can see here how easy this chapter is. Like easily we are able to do the questions very fast. So that's why I'm telling, from remainder and theorem, from remainder and factor theorem, 3 to 4 to 5 marks you can expect in your final exam. One will be question of this type, which will be 4 marks, and another will be MCQ. So make sure you don't lose these 4 to 5 marks 100%. Here you have to score full out of full in this chapter because it's very, very easy. Let's do next question now. So this is also the question from the previous year paper. It's similar type of questions. All the questions are similar only here in this chapter. So what we have to do and what is given? Find A. So A we have to find. So A is there in two polynomials. So in this question actually two polynomials are given, two cubic polynomials. So differently we can write. One of these polynomials we can write as fx. So ax cube plus 3x square minus 9. This is the first polynomial. Another polynomial is given to us. Let us assume that as gx. This is just a way of writing a polynomial. So two polynomials are given with different symbols. I am just writing them. So this is 2x cube plus 4x square plus a. So these two polynomials, when they are divided by this x plus 3, when these two polynomials are divided by this linear polynomial x plus 3, remainder we are getting same. It's not mentioned that x plus 3 is a factor of these two. It is just mentioned remainder is same. So remainder is same. That means from here if I take the value of x, what is the value of x? X value is minus 3. X value is minus 3. So their remainder is same. It means f of minus 3, whatever remainder here I am getting, so I will be getting same remainder with g of minus 3 also. So both is r only. So that means basically what does it mean? So f of minus 3 is, if it is equals to r, g of minus 3 is equals to r, that means basically both of these are equals to each other, like f of minus 3, because both of these are equals to r. So here this concept we will use in this question. So it's mentioned when x plus 3 is divided by these two polynomials, remainder is same. How to get remainder? By substituting the value of x in the given polynomial. So suppose here we are getting r, here also we are getting r because it's mentioned same remainder. So directly we will use this thing. So I'll be writing this only. F of minus 3 is equals to g of minus 3. That means in first polynomial fx, wherever x is there, that value we can write. So in first polynomial, this is the first one, this is the second one. In first one here you can say this is the first one. I will just substitute the value of x as minus 3. So a into minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into x square. So minus 3 whole square minus 9. Now g of minus 3. So g's polynomial is this one. G's polynomial is this one. So we'll just substitute the value of x as minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 whole cube plus 4 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 plus a. So now we can just simplify this. So minus 3's cube is minus 27. Cube of minus 3 is minus 27. So a into minus 27 is minus 27a. 3 squares is cube of a negative is always negative. Square of a negative is always positive because two minus signs will get cancelled. So 3 square is positive 9. 9 into 3 is positive 27. So plus 27 here we will write minus 9 as it is. So 2 into again minus 3 is cube. So cube of minus 3 is minus 27. Minus 27 into 2 will be minus 54. Minus 54. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 plus a. We can just simplify this. So like terms we can write together. First of all, here individually we can simplify like terms. So minus 27a. So 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 we can just simplify. 27 minus 9 it is equals to 18 plus 18 which is equals to these two minus 54 and minus 12 minus minus plus we can just add them. So this is 66. So minus 66 minus minus plus but with a negative sign plus a. So let us shift a to this side. So minus 27a is already there. Then this positive a when we shift to other side it will become negative a. So minus 66 plus 18 will shift to other side. So it will become minus 18. A is equals to 3. Avni has given the answer. Good. We'll see. So minus minus here is plus. So minus 28 because A means 1A. So minus 27 minus 1 is minus 28. So here also minus minus plus. So 66 plus 18 we will do 84. So minus 84. Let's shift now 28 to other side. So A is here minus 84 by minus 28. Minus 84 by minus minus will get cancelled. So 28 into 3 directly because you have already given the answer. We can just check. Yes, so directly we can cancel 28 into 3 is 84. So A's value is equals to 3. A is equals to 3. So you have given, many of you have given answer before me, that here I can happily say that you people are actually understanding. That's why you are doing the questions before me. So B is equals to minus. Okay. Let's do next question. These two questions we will do and then we will just finish the class. After this, I will be just giving you practice question. Most of the time, these type of questions are only there where we have to factorize the polynomial completely. So same kind of questions are there. Both the questions, one is from specimen and the other one is from like previous paper. I have just, I don't know, 2023 I guess. So 4-mark questions you can expect like this. Let's do now. So we have to factorize this polynomial completely. What is this polynomial? I'll just write here. So it's 2x cube minus 9x square plus 7x plus 6. I've just written here. We have to factorize it completely. I'll rewrite. So I will write here as fx is equals to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 7x plus 6. So in this question, only one polynomial is given to us. Whenever only one polynomial is given to us and we have to factorize it completely. First thing is that we have to check first factor just by trying out different values of x. Different trials we have to do because it's just like a guessing. Something is not sure. So different values of x we can try 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 or minus 3, 3. So like this we can try out with different. So wherever our answer is 0, that will be a factor of this polynomial. So let us check with 1. So by simply substituting the value of x as 1. So 2 into 1 cube minus 9 into this part you just have to do on working area. Checking you just have to do working area. This is not a part of the question. Once you are finding the factor, then you can do that as a question. So minus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 6. So here if I am doing, so this is 2 into 1 is 2 minus 9 plus 7 plus 6. 2 minus 9 is minus 7 plus 7. So we are not getting this answer equals to 0. 6 we are getting. So that means 1 is not at all working out. We should get 0 and we just have to try out with different values of x. Now let us check with minus 1. 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 9 into minus 1 whole square plus 7 into minus 1 plus 6. So this is, if you are solving before me, you can tell with which number you have got 0 as the answer. I'll just directly do that. So minus 1's cube is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Ma'am, we can use x is equals to 2. Okay, Navishri has given we can use x is equals to 2. Okay, so I'll be directly doing with that. So f of 2 I am doing. So this thing you just have to show. So 2 into 2's cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 7 into 2 plus 6. So this here I'll get 8 into 2 16 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 9 36 plus 14 plus 6. So 36 minus 6 what I'll get? Minus 20 plus minus minus with the greater sign greater number sign you have to write. So here also plus 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So we have got f of 2 is equals to 0. So remember here f of 2 if we have got equals to 0 then x minus 2 is a factor opposite. If minus 2 you are getting then x plus 2 is a factor. Like we have found x value equals to 2. So with x value equals to 2, when 2 we shift to this side, so this positive 2 will be changed to negative 2. Like this you have to see. So we found our answer 0 with x value equals to 2. That's why factor is x minus 2. So x minus 2 is a factor of fx. So first factor we have found, it was by trials we found. With different values of x we tried and the value of x which we got was 2, so that's why x minus 2 is a factor. Now this factor we can actually divide with the given, like division we used to do same process. With the help of division we will be getting one quadratic polynomial and we'll do. So division we have to do now. So here I am doing division. So given polynomial, okay, I'll do one thing. X minus 2 we have found. So this thing you have to write. I am telling this is a part of the question. Whenever you are attempting this question, you have to write it down. I'm just going to clear this now because I need space for division. So this polynomial will divide with x minus 2 because x minus 2 is a factor. So polynomial is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 7x plus 6. So same process for division. What we have to do, first of all, first term same we will write. First term same with first term. We'll divide first term of this polynomial, which is x. So 2x cube when we divide with x. So x cube means x into x into x. X and x will get cancelled. So 2x square. So here 2x square, because I've got a 2x square. Now with this 2x square, I have to multiply the second term, which is minus 2. 2x square into minus 2, we will get minus 4x square. Minus 4x square we have to write under the like term. Like term here, the x square term is this. So we'll be writing here minus 4x square. Now we have to change the sign. This positive will be changed to negative. Negative will be changed to positive. This will get cancelled. Minus 9 plus 4. See, now this minus sign we don't have to include. You just have to make sure you are not using the same sign. Change sign you have to use. So minus 9 plus 4. It is minus 5x square. Minus 5x square. These two polynomials also we can bring down. This is plus 7x plus 6. Now same process we have to follow. What's the process? So at each and every step we have to follow the same process. This is minus 5x square. First term we will be writing the same. Then with this first term minus 5x square, we will divide the first term of this linear polynomial, which is x. So 1x will get cancelled. So minus 5x. This minus 5x will be writing here at quotient, and also with this minus 5x we will be multiplying this minus 2. So minus 5x into minus 2, it is minus 10x. It is positive 10x because minus and minus sign will get cancelled. So under like term we have to write. So this is plus 10x. Now the signs we have to change. This is positive. This will be changed to negative. So these two will get cancelled. So here 7 minus 10. Now this sign only we have to consider. This plus sign we don't have to consider. 7 minus 10 is minus 3x because plus minus minus. So 10 minus 7 is 3. But this with greater number, now negative sign is there. So that's why minus 3x plus 6. Now same step we will repeat. So what's the step? First term we will be writing same. First term will be writing same minus 3x. So with this minus 3x, we will divide this x of the linear polynomial. So x and x will get cancelled. So this minus 3x we will write here. Now minus 3x will multiply with minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 is positive 6 because minus and minus sign is getting cancelled. Plus 6 again we will change the sign. So minus will be changed to positive, positive will be changed to negative. So both of these will get cancelled. So remainder we will get 0. And here I'll tell you remainder will always be equals to 0. If your remainder is not equals to 0, that means somewhere you have made a mistake. Remainder will always be equals to 0 because the divisor here, see this is the divisor with which we are dividing. This is a factor. So with factor, whenever we are dividing, remainder is 0. Okay, so this part I am just going to, this calculations also you have to show on your exam. This you have to show, it should be shown the working column. Now first part of the question is done. Division is completed. First of all, we found one factor by different trials. So x minus 2 was the factor. After finding out the factor, with that factor we have to divide the polynomial. After dividing, we will be getting one quadratic polynomial as a quotient of this division. Now this quadratic polynomial further we will factorize by splitting the middle term. So splitting the middle term we have to do. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3. For that, first of all, we'll write a product of first and last term. So product of first and last, first is 2. 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Negative 6 is the product. And then we have to write the middle term. Middle term of this one is minus 5. So signs are very important here. Minus 6x and minus 1. So Aditya has given the factors, okay. So product is 6. 6 and minus 6 and 1 we can choose, okay. Because when minus 6 and 1 we are multiplying, the product is equals to minus 6, and when we are adding minus 6 plus 1, when we are doing, the answer is minus 5. So that is required. So we can choose numbers minus 6 and 1, because when we are splitting the middle term, so two numbers addition should be equals to this middle term and the product should be equals to this product. So 2x square minus 6x plus 1x, or x only you can write, minus 3. This is one pair, this is one pair. We can take out the common factor. See, it is 2x square minus 6x. So I'll just show you here how to take common. 2 into x minus 6. 6 we can write as 2 into 3. 6 we can write as 2 into 3 into x. So what we can take out common here? 2x we can take out common. 2x common when I'm taking. So what is left? So here one x is left and here 3 is left. So x minus 3. Plus here nothing is common. If nothing is common, that means 1 is common. So 1 I'm taking out common. X minus 3 as it is we have to write. So you can see here these two brackets always should be same. So here also x minus 3, here also x minus 3. So again this x minus 3 we can take out common. So what is left behind? 2x plus 1. So these are the two factors. So x minus 3, yes, x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. So given polynomial, it can be written. So at the end you have to write that. If you write everything properly, you will get full marks in the questions. So you can write at the end 2x cube minus 9x square plus 7x plus 6. This is equals to x minus 2. X minus 2 was the first factor which we found. Then x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. So cubic polynomial, always it will be factorized into 3 factors. So you have to remember, don't only write the 2 last factors. So all the 3 factors we have to write. So here we have completed this question. Anyone, any doubt? Yes, Shreyasri, Rehan, Aditya, Anika, Divyasri. So you have given the answer. Very good. When you interact only, the class becomes very live. Although it's a live session, but with your interaction, it becomes more live. Okay, so I hope you have understood. No doubts. Okay, so see, it's already 5:58, so I will not do any next question, because this question, it will at least it will take 10 to 12 minutes. Okay. Yes, Anika has written properly. Good. So this is the question which you can see on my screen. That is exactly same type of question. You can do yourself. Same question the way we have done this one from previous year papers. And other than this, you can just take a screenshot. I'll be showing you few more questions for practice. Have you taken the screenshot of this one? This chapter, yes, this chapter's test I'll take. You can take the screenshot of practice questions. Do the practice well. The questions are similar. This chapter is very easy. If you do it properly, you will score full marks in this chapter in your exam also. So whoever has joined this class, you can just type your names. I just want to see the names of the students. So it was a really good class. I really enjoyed taking the class. If you have enjoyed it, you can like it. So that I can get motivated. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for attending the class. Tomorrow I'll be starting next chapter, which will be geometric progressions. This chapter from my side it's completed. Any doubts I will take. For the next chapter we are going to start tomorrow, that is the geometric progression. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you in my next class.